This video demonstrates how to align the chute bolts in an Outswing double door entry system. There are two chute bolts on the astragal, one on the top and one on the bottom. First, we'll start with the one on top, or the head jamb. Make sure the door will close properly and then slide the bolt up against the head jamb. Trace around the bolt as far as you can go. Retract the bolt and open the door. Now, beginning with a smaller drill bit, pre-drill the hole where marked through the head jamb and up into the rough opening. Next, drill out the hole with a final size drill bit. Finally, put the strike plate in place and mark the screw holes. Drill a pilot hole at each mark and secure the strike plate with 2 screws. Verify the bolt will engage fully into the head jamb. Now, let's install the strike plate on the sill. We'll close the door, push the bottom bolt all the way down, and mark the sill cap just like we did on the head. Next, put the strike plate in place and mark the screw holes. Drill a pilot hole at each mark Pre-drill with a smaller bit and gradually work up to the finish size. Verify the bolt will engage fully into the threshold and secure the strike plate with 2 screws. Finally, test for proper operation. That's it! You've successfully aligned the chute bolts in an Outswing double door system. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.jeld-wen.com. Or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.